What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you click that big red button and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up.
Froze, I got my necklace on froze, both of my ears on froze. I've been getting faded, I'm sipping on maple. If she won't, I won't make her.
Today we are going to be doing how I do my high puff on my type 4 hair. I have 4B, 4C type hair. 4B in the back, 4B on the sides, the middle is 4C. I don't know. I'm trying to breeze through this video. I'm not going to talk as much as I usually do because I have 2 videos to film today and I gotta wash my hair. My hair is still purple and I'm doing a new color, so yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, before y'all like even think about it, the back of my hair grows faster than the rest of my hair, and it's also a different hair type, so that's why it just hangs in the back like that. Like I said, I have 4B, 4C hair, maybe 4A in the back. Like, yeah, I have a lot of different textures in my hair, so it does what it wants. Little mom, little baby, little mom, little baby.
Make my shit swoop, swoop, swoop. See that shit? Swoop, swoop, swoop.
Alright, you guys, thanks for tuning into this video. I have another one to do, that's why I didn't do too much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Give the video a big thumbs up. Press that red button, and if you want to, I mean, I ain't saying you got to, but if you want to, you can go ahead and turn on that bell so you can be notified every time I post. Thanks for tuning in. Tell your sister, tell your brother, tell all of them to come and subscribe to this channel because it's lit. Tune in to my next video. Peace. Pow. Wait. Pow, pow.